Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to enable live captions right away. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, and turn live captions on. Once enabled, pick the audio source system output for videos, microphone for calls, or both if you need capture from speakers and mic. Make sure you select the correct language so the model matches speech patterns. Once done, enable auto-punctuation to improve readability. This reduces confusion in fast speech and makes captions more useful while you continue configuring presentation options. Next, you'll customize how captions appear and behave so they stay readable in any app. Choose a floating window if you want captions over content, or dock them to the top or bottom, then drag to a spot that doesn't block important visuals. Adjust text size, color, and background opacity for clear contrast. Brighter backgrounds help over dark videos. Also tweak caption delay and punctuation so the timing matches spoken words, which reduces overlap and keeps captions coherent during rapid dialogue. Finally, test captions with a video or a quick call to confirm sync and accuracy. Listen and watch for delays or missed words, then tweak delay and source settings. Save your configuration or create presets for meeting versus media use so you don't repeat steps. If captions don't appear or are garbled, make sure audio is routed to the selected device, restart audio services or the app, and update sound drivers. These fixes resolve most issues quickly and get captions working again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.